Hi guys, this is Andy in the workshop again. He has a selection of tools he's going to talk to you about. He's got an Adze here which is great for hewing off large amounts of timber. I've also just flagged down a large helicopter, as you can hear flying by now. They're just very apt to fly by just when you want them. So the other thing is an axe. Now this is an axe we use for throwing quite often, but it also holds a really keen edge, so great for sort of fining wood down when you want to reduce it a little bit. But here's an unusual tool. It's called a froe. Now a froe is for splitting down through the grain of the timber, and I'm just going to show you briefly how this works. So I've got my froe and I've got my piece of timber here. It's just a round section freshly cut off of a tree. As part of the pollarding process. Pollarding is where you take the top of a willow tree out to reduce it to about 6 or 8 foot. Then it puts out lots of different branches within just a few weeks, and it's quite a remarkable thing and very typical of the Somerset levels. So here's my froe. Here's all I'm going to do is just tap it down like that. Put a bit of leverage on it. Hardly any effort at all. Splits along the grain, and you end up with one piece like that, another piece like this. Now this piece has got enough to get another one out, so I'll turn it the other way around, stand it up on the ground. The ground's pretty firm, so it helps. And there we go. Now, two lovely bits of timber now split out from a piece of wood. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with it later. I'm going to make another video and show you how to make fences with it.